we've been training them for years now to get free content, to try to drive you to go now and pay me to see a picture of me doing something personal or like sharing tips or something like what's going to make you want to do that on this platform. So that's where the user block, I think, is going to continue to be a challenge for creators who are trying to get more.
For one thing, you got to be consistent. First of all, consider yourself Netflix. You have people paying for your content. If I paid for Netflix and they gave me a movie or a TV show whenever they felt like, there's no consistency, we got a problem. How to make money on Instagram. And we're going to talk a little bit about the IG subscriptions feature. I had the incredible Mia Buchanan joining me. I don't have access to the subscription feature, and it's something I wanted to talk about after it's been released almost about a year now, and you have access to it. So I wanted to kind of get an idea of your experience with it. I want to talk about the big feature first, which is Instagram subscriptions. Many of us have seen it around. Some people have access to it, some don't. So I wanted to ask you, like, since it's been announced in August 2022, I want to know, what are your thoughts? Like, do you believe Instagram subscriptions has been a successful feature for Instagram since it's been announced in August?
That's a great question. I think that it depends, just like everything on Instagram, on the creator, the fan base of the creator, and their strategy. How intentional are they in driving their community to, sign up for the subscriptions? Because a lot of people got access to subscriptions when they rolled it. There are several, myself included, who have not maximized that tool yet. Because I've seen others who have been fairly successful with like driving their community to sign up. And then there's a whole bunch of the rest of us who are just kind of like, have this feature, but we're making money through other avenues, so it's not a priority feature.
And that's kind of been my sentiment with it too. Like now, but from watching others that have access to the feature, when I ask them generally, how is it going? The majority of the time they answer something along the lines of, I haven't been able to put a lot of effort into it. Some people are actually disappointed that they enabled it and they can't disable it. These are things that people should be aware of up front. It's kind of the same sentiment that I'm hearing. Not a lot of people have really sat down to strategize on how to move forward with it, but they were just excited that they got it and enabled it, which, you don't want to enable it before Instagram takes it away. You know how Instagram does be glitching, right? Instagram stay glitching. First of all, I gotta say, I respect your modesty in regards to putting yourself on the table in regards to that. As you stated, you didn't actually strategize just yet, but you do have the feature, you enabled it.
I think it's a great tool for creators on the platform who can maximize it. But I will always stand by the fact that while this is a great tool that Instagram has, you can use other mechanisms to, build your community. It doesn't just have to be the subscriptions feature, and they have several, and I know we'll get into that later. The tough part is on Instagram and TikTok and all these other platforms, our community members are so used to getting free content from us on a regular basis. So what is really going to make them want to pay to see whatever private thing you're going to be posting on Instagram? And I'm not trying to push the agenda of going to another platform. But we've been training them for years now to get free content when they come to our Instagram page. So to try to drive you to go now and pay me $9.99 a month or 99 cents a month to see a picture of me doing something personal or like sharing tips or something like what's going to make you want to do that on this platform. So that's where the user block, I think, is going to continue to be a challenge for creators who are trying to get more paid subscriptions.
If you are considering Instagram subscriptions, for one thing, you got to be consistent. First of all, consider yourself Netflix, right? You have people paying for your content. If I paid for Netflix and they gave me a movie or a TV show whenever they felt like, there's no consistency, we got a problem. I need to have a new movie every week. You know what I'm saying? I want Netflix to tell me, am I still watching? Because I need to be continuously watching content from this platform, or as we're talking about, creators. So consistency is really important. The other aspect that you kind of hinted at was they're getting a lot of this content for free. So you got to deliver something a little bit more exclusive.
Exactly.
Now, what that exclusivity is, that really depends on your business and what you're capable of putting together. It might be something like IG Lives, where you speak to only your subscribers and answer their questions, maybe on a weekly basis. Maybe you put together a specific type of reels that you share only with them that really show you like you're behind the scenes of how you create content, and you talk about what you're doing and you give them that aspect, that more insight into you. I think the more you're able to deliver more of access to yourself, it's more likely the content seems a little bit more valuable that somebody would consider paying. You know, I'll go back to Netflix again. If, you know, I'm a big fan of The Rock, and if, you know, The Rock said, hey, I got a new movie coming out, but I'll be answering Q&A questions as well about how I made the movie and my favorite scene and stuff, I think that might entice certain people to say, you know what, I'll pay an extra $1 or $2 this month to get a little bit more access. So it really depends on a lot of what you are delivering for your audience. So go ahead and take the knowledge that myself and Mia just shared, and like I always say, step the gram up. If you got any value from that video, you know what to do. Show a little love and support by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. If you're looking for more information all about Instagram monetization, there's a playlist on the screen right now waiting for you. Tons of videos about how to take your Instagram monetization to the next level. Hope to see you there.